Welcome back. It's Mark Leibovitz, and welcome to a Leibovitz volume reversal tutorial here on Esignal. We're going to be looking at SCO, which is the triple inverse crude oil ETF, in just a moment. But here you're looking at a little description of my Leibovitz volume reversal from the old Esignal page. To order this, you now have to come to vrtrader.com and order it from us, and we connect you over to the Esignal platform. As you may recall, there are three versions of the volume reversal, all part of the same package. We include the sequential, directional, and two-day version, though I tend to focus on the sequential on these videos, which post all positive and negative volume reversals. So just as a matter of course, that's what you're going to be looking at. And as a reminder, of course, my newsletters are available at vrtrader.com. We have our silver letter, which covers our daily market commentary, our platinum, which covers that plus specific recommendations, our gold letter, which covers natural resources and gold, our VR forecaster cyclical report, which I've been putting out since 1987, my cannabis vice letter. Oh, we had a great trade in that on Wednesday the 22nd, a little new issue that came out, and we made a couple points on that really quickly. So always a lot of action there. Of course, we file a lot of the vice names in addition to the cannabis names. Our book, The Trader's Book of Volume, is a must-read. If you do read Chinese, it is available in Chinese as well. And of course, my radio show, Wall Street Raw. Don't want to forget about that. That's one of my big projects, and it's going to be syndicated hopefully on more radio stations going forward. But it is available at the Genesis Communication Network, gcnlive.com, Saturday mornings 10 a.m. Eastern, but it is archived there and on iTunes, and it also is replayed at KFNN 1510 Phoenix on Sunday mornings 10 a.m. Eastern. Jumping to the charts, we're looking at SCO on the daily chart. Just a little bit of background here. As you know, you're looking at a daily chart. The green line is a 200-day moving average. The blue line is a 50-day. The bottom shows a 533 stochastic. Blue means positive, red means negative, and that's pretty much it. And now I'm looking at the volume reversals. When I have a rising positive stochastic 533 and I get a positive VR, that gives me a trading buy. We jumped into SCO. We made about 3-4 points in this trade here in the last few days. We were looking to get back in. I did not get back in. We had negative VR, and I was hoping for a little bit more of a pullback, but if you were just playing the pure signal, you would have jumped back in on this positive VR, as there was a rising 533 and there was another couple-day trade here. As you probably know, I'm looking for a couple 3-day trades. This is not an investment strategy, though you could look on the weekly and monthly charts and develop one. In fact, I'll show you how you could have theoretically done that, but I personally don't trade that way. Perhaps you would like to, and of course I would encourage you. Looking way back here in January 2016, negative volume reversal on the weekly chart, declining 5.3 stochastic, so 5.33 stochastic. So for weeks and weeks and weeks, for a good part of the year, you could have been short SCO, playing the inverse to the downside as crude oil has recovered, and just played it that way, I suppose. So there are, benefits here. This is a weekly chart. You can see some nice correlation. Positive VR rallying up for a couple weeks, rising stochastic. Before this current rally, there was a couple positive VRs showing some accumulation. There was a little rising pattern in there. So definitely the theory of volume preceding price. That's what volume reversal is all about, and that's what I've been doing for 35 to 40 years here, and has been pretty much the reason I've been successful, is because I'm looking at the volume, the more buyers and sellers. I'm not really trying to understand the markets, and I'm trying to take shorter term trades. So flipping back to that daily chart, bottom line is seems still be an uptrend here in SCO, but it's too extended for me, and if I see a pullback and another positive VR, I might get in on another trade. But even if I had taken this trade, I'd been out anyway. Couple 3-day trade. That's all I'm really looking for, and that's really what it's all about here at vrtrader.com. So again, that's the indicator, the volume reversal, and it is available through vrtrader.com at our homepage if you want to sign up, and I encourage you to do so, and we'll catch you on the next update.